Drag. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close.
What's good, love buds? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. But if you're not, I would love for you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when I post. So I am Jelani. Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my skincare routine. I have two skincare routines, nighttime and I have morning time. Today I'm going to be doing the morning time routine. I'm showing y'all what I do, like, not every day, because for me that's not realistic. I'm a mother. I be tired, so I'm not doing this every morning. I do it every chance I get. So that's like, if it's not every other day, it's like every 2 days. Like, it's definitely not every day. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. I don't do it every day because that's just not realistic to me. And my skin, I don't ever have problems with that. I just do this to keep up with it, get a little glow, and to have nice skin, because you gotta keep your skin nice, because when you get old, you don't want it to be sagging like you know who. But yes, that's what I'm doing today. Let's just get straight into this video. I'm not about to do too much talking. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. I'm going to be doing a nighttime routine, so y'all don't even have to say that, because I'm going to do this. Like, gonna be like the next thing I do. So yes, make sure you like, make sure you comment. If you're new, again, make sure you subscribe before you even start the video, and then hit the notification bell because it's right there next to it. Like, you might as well, you know, you like the channel so far. I don't know, I don't have that many videos, but I'm gonna get there. Let's go, let's get into it. So the first thing that I do is I simply just wash my hands. Yes, I'm just getting up and I didn't really do anything, but so what? My hands are still dirty. I need to wash them because I'm going to be cleaning my face. No point in cleaning my face if my hands are dirty. So that's my first step. Next, my head itch. But I'm going to take my Foreo Luna Mini 3. This is just an easier way to clean your face. It reaches deeper into your pores to remove oil, dirt, sweat, dead skin. And basically, this is the only product of theirs that has this glow boost function. Now I'm going to take my Clean and Clear Morning Burst Cleanser. This is an oil-free gel cleanser. It has vitamin C, which helps repair damaged skin. It has ginseng, which is a natural skin balancer, which also helps boost circulation in smaller blood vessels. Now I just take the water and splash it on my face. That's how I normally get all the soap off. And then I take a washcloth and then wipe the excess stuff off. I use my daughter's like old baby rags because they're light and delicate. Easy on the face. You feel me? You feel me. So here I'm taking a cotton ball. I normally use the pads, but I'm out of those, so I'm going to use these cotton balls until they're gone. And I'm taking this Bare Rose Petal Witch Hazel Toner, which is an alcohol-free toner that has witch hazel, aloe vera, and rose water. The rose water has natural oils and sugars that work 2 times harder to ramp up the skin's dewiness. And I can definitely tell that. Like, this thing always keeps my skin moisturized. It has vitamin C that aids collagen production, strengthens skin, fades blemishes and scars, and the aloe vera helps put moisture back into the skin. And this is what I do when I wait for it to dry, you know. It was no music playing. besides, you know, lyrics, you know, nursery rhymes. But you know, like I said, it put moisture into the skin, so I gotta wait for it to dry and be taking a while. I'm gonna go in with my face serum, which is this Khiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. This is a lightweight oil that revitalizes and energizes the skin, that's infused with botanical oils to help reduce the appearance of fatigue for radiant skin. Now those oils that I mentioned are the ginger root oil, which defends skin from free radiance with antioxidant protection, sunflower oil that helps strengthen skin barrier while helping smooth and hydrate the skin, and also the tamanu, which helps replenish and soothe the skin. As you can see, I'm patting the product into my face. That's because if you pat instead of rub, the product will penetrate more into your skin, which will work better. That's the same thing this thing does, as well as eliminates the puffiness in your skin and your eyes, especially if it's cold. That's what I do. I put it in the refrigerator. I leave it there until I use it, honestly. I never take it out until I use it. And then also this thing, it increases the blood flow, which helps bring more oxygen to your skin cells. So this thing does a lot. But anywho, y'all can see how I am going upwards instead of going downwards. Well, that's because that's what my mama always taught me. She always taught me, like, putting lotion on or anything, rubbing anything on your face, go upwards, because when you get older, if you were to go downwards, your skin was to sag earlier, you know? So anytime you put anything on and stuff like this, make sure you're going up instead of down, because we don't want no regular skin. For my eye cream, I'm going to be using Khiehl's Young Dose Eye Treatment. This is actually an anti-aging eye cream. It has proretinol, which helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, firmness, and elasticity. Vitamin C, which boosts radiance, smooth skin texture, and the grape seed helps brighten skin and visibly reduce dark circles. And I think this is true. It could be from this or the concentrate, but I honestly use the concentrate more than I use this. So my dark circles have basically been going away. Something's been working. This is Jack Black Face Moisturizer. This is a lightweight SPF 20 moisturizer. It says it's lightweight, but it's kind of thick, a little bit. It has vitamin E that helps the skin supple and reduce inflammation. It has sea parsley, and that's basically vitamins A and C and some minerals that work together to improve the skin's appearance. It also has vitamins A and E that are two powerful antioxidants that help the skin from free radical damage. And lastly, phospholipids that bind moisture to the skin and help support the skin's natural barrier. Now this is my lip scrub. I have a video on it. So to get the info on this scrub, you're going to have to go watch the video. I'll leave it at the top. It'll also be in the description. But yeah, you're just going to have to go watch the video. So what I do is I basically take a small amount of my scrub and I'm just rubbing it on my lips, basically exfoliating my lips with the scrub. I'm going to do this for about 60 seconds and then I'm going to leave it on for like maybe 3 minutes. I leave it on. I don't leave it on long, but I don't leave it on too short, if that makes sense. Just a good enough time that maybe you feel it working. Maybe that's what I do. I can feel it working. You'll feel it working for sure. Now I'm going to apply a lip balm. This is the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm. It's a thick SPF lip balm. It has shea butter, avocado oil, vitamin E, green tea. I love this stuff. It stays on your lips forever. Forever. I love this stuff. But that's it for my skincare routine. If you guys enjoyed it and would love to see my nighttime routine, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. And make sure you subscribe before you leave and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a post. And I'm out.
Hey, I'm ready, gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. #1, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.